Hey everyone, back to reality in Canada, Sherbrooke, Quebec to be more precise. I'm at the Ford dealership, Estrie Ford. Beginning of March, we're gonna do a walk around. We're gonna see what they got here for inventory. I was just talking with my salesman, and things are pretty bleak here. He seems to think there might have been around 9 new vehicles in the whole yard. 9 new vehicles. Isn't that something? I mean, that's pretty bad. It's becoming a used car dealership here. That's what it's gonna come down to. They got a few Lincolns. I think they have 1 Bronco, but I think the Bronco is a demonstrator. I'm just gonna go inside here. I'll go inside and I'll show you guys what they have in the showroom. I'm just gonna do a quick walk around in the showroom just to show you guys what they got going on. All right, let's go in here and see what they have going on. So you see, usually this showroom is all full of cars. Usually full. They have 2, and I think this is for sure a used one. This is a car they sold originally in 1967. They sold this car and they bought it back about 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago from the owner, the original owner that had bought it. They got this one right here. They got a 21 Mustang convertible, and they have a Jeep over in the corner here. The baby Bronco right here. So this is what they have going on. Usually they have cars all lined up over here. They don't have anything right now going on because, like I said, they don't have much in inventory. They got a couple Lincolns. They have a 21 Lincoln right here. This is a 22. And like they said, the 21, there's no budging on the price. The price that's in the window is the price you're gonna pay. That's what they told me. So there's nothing you can do, and I don't blame them with everything that's going on with no cars around. So let's just take a quick walk around. Let's look to see what they got going on here. So this one here is a 22, 86,000. A 21, 86,000. They got a Mach-E right here. I don't know if this is a demonstrator. People can go out and try, like the Bronco. Usually when they have stickers on them, it's because those are vehicles that you can go out and try. I mean, they have to have a few cars that people can try. Yeah, I see the little, those are those new, what do you call those right here? They got an EcoSport. I thought they weren't even making that anymore. Got 1 EcoSport. They got 1 of these. This is the Maverick. They got 1 Maverick. I guess this is for people to try. You can see it's all dirty. They got an Explorer ST, all dirty, so that means people are trying that. Usually this is all lined up, all along the front, all along the road there, all along right here. This is usually all lined up, all new vehicles. They don't have none. Like they said, they've got 9. And I bet you some of these vehicles are going to be out front, are already going to be sold. The people ordered them, they're just putting them out front here so it looks nice. Got an F-150 here. Couple of the little Broncos. Got 2 Broncos here. Yeah, these are brand new, these 2. If you're looking for a Bronco, they got some here. Just call Estrie Ford in Sherbrooke, Quebec. They got some here. You can call Michael Page. Michael Page will be able to help you guys out with that. A couple pickups over here. So like he said, 9 vehicles. Imagine running a great big dealership like this. You only have 9 vehicles. Usually there's all new cars, new vehicles right here. And along the edge over there where you see they have some of the stuff that they're fixing for the garage out back. Let me see what else. Usually have new vehicles over here too, but there isn't any. Where that Home Depot van is. That's usually a row of new vehicles all the way down to the garage. They've almost got as many Lincolns here as they do the other Fords. That's too bad though. But I guess that's what's going on. You know, you guys saw some of the videos where we were down south in Florida and Tennessee and all that. And they're having a hard time too. Yeah, so they have 2. Show you the difference in the Bronco. That's an Outer Banks. And this is a Badlands. See, this one's got the running boards. Electric running boards, the big wheels. It's got the soft top up on it. The one next door's got the smaller wheels, outer banks. It's got the hard top. See right there. A little Ranger. Was taking that on the trade-in. It's got a back rack on the back of it. They were just telling me they sold it at 21. I think it was an F250 or F350. We'll go see on the other side. I think they sold it for 103,000, and when they sold it new a year ago, they sold it for the same price. All right, let's walk around here, see what they've got. It's really hard to believe what's going on with the cars. They got a Bronco here. Which one is this? The Wild Track, Sasquatch. Guess this one people can try out. I guess it must not even be easy, even just for the employees, to have a company vehicle, because I imagine they're selling those really quick too, with everything that's going on. All right, let's go look, see what they got in the used department. So like I said, we're beginning of March. Beginning of March, so we'll see. You can see these vehicles have been used, so these might be some of the employees, their vehicles that Ford lets them use while they work here. They're daily drivers. You got a 22. I don't know why it's 93,000, that one right there. Must be quite equipped. Couple trucks up on top here. The trucks most likely are sold. Okay, that must be the one he was telling me about. 103,000 for that. That one right there. So they're becoming used car dealers. They're selling a lot of used cars, that's for sure. You guys hear the cars going by on the side? Temperature today, -10 Celsius. I'll look, see what that is in Fahrenheit. I'll write it right here at the bottom of the screen. They got their used stuff here. Got a Ranger. Was it 2012? Must be an employee. I think it's one of the bosses that runs that. So let's see what they got out back here. We got some used F-150s. Maybe 10, 11 of them. There isn't even anything for new vehicles out back here. Usually they have some out back. There's nothing right now. Might be, no, not even. I was gonna say maybe that Escape right there is new, but no, must be somebody's. You see right here, you got, must be an employee. He's got his pickup. He's got his a nice F-150, and he's got his four-wheeler in the back. Look at that. So as you can see, we got snow on the ground. You can see there's about 5 inches of snow. So this here is all going to be used stuff. See the snow they've been piling from the driveway here. See how high that is? Must be like 20 feet high. Must be a big loader comes in and gets that. Another vehicle here. So I don't see anything new out back here, you guys. There's nothing new out back here. Used stuff. Used stuff. Here's a Lincoln. No, it's got a plate on it. It's a hybrid. Here's another hybrid Lincoln. No new stuff at all out back here. So I guess that's what's going on, you guys. There's nothing around, so if you want something, I guess you're gonna have to order it. Whatever you guys are gonna want, you're gonna order. Look at the color of that F-150. That's different. It's a different color. I don't know what that's called. I'll look it up to see what this is called. It's almost like a primer color. You got a truck here with the sander on the back. Show you guys a bit how equipment works here where we are. Must be getting it fixed. You can hear this truck right here running. So he's got the sander on the back of this. All right, so like I said, I guess you guys are gonna have to order if you want something here. If you guys want to order something, that's the only way you're gonna get something. You're gonna have to order it. All right, coming back around here in the front. I think this one here is a King Ranch. I think this might be the one he just sold. 2021 King Ranch. 103,000, yeah. 103,000, they just sold it. And that's about the price. That's about the price it was selling when it was brand new. A year old, but listen, that's what's going on right now with the cars. The car prices have gone up quite a bit. The used car market, because they can't get any new cars. As we've seen in North America, it seems to be like that everywhere. These trucks are probably trucks there that some company ordered and they just haven't picked them up yet. Let's take a look at this. It's a 550 power stroke. 77,000. Plus, I'm sure you're gonna have the add-on of the box here. I'm sure the box is not even in the price. No, that's just the truck. You're gonna have to get the add-on of the box with the hydraulics and all that stuff. So like we were saying, the showroom is pretty empty here. They got a couple Broncos for some of you that are looking for Broncos. I think they're selling them too. They're selling them retail price here. Let me just go down these stairs. I think they're selling them for retail. If you guys are looking for a Bronco, like I said, just call Estrie Ford here in Canada. Even if you're in the States, I'm sure they could probably just ship them right to the States. But if you're Canadian, you're looking for one, retail, they'll sell it to you. Okay, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, share and comment. See you guys next video.